Yo, I forgot to do this like long time already. Anyways, Happy New Year's, guys. Happy New Year's, sellers. Clearly, if you're wondering why there's cotton in my ears, I think I have an ear infection now. I don't know what it is because I've been swimming a lot recently. It's because I've been jumping in a lot, so that my ears like get sore and all that stuff. So it's really swollen. I can barely hear now. Yeah, and I actually kind of speak very soft now. So yeah, Happy New Year, sellers. Sorry that I couldn't do the Christmas video because I got a new phone and my brother was busy setting it up with my old phone because I filmed all my channel stuff in my old phone. Yeah, and how do I say that? And I can't. Yeah, so I couldn't film it or film me unwrapping the presents and all that stuff. Whatever. Yeah, whatever. I mean, like, yeah.